In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Facebook post in Canva. Head to Canva, search for Facebook post. Click on the first link and you will be good to go. In this page, you're gonna find the Facebook that you're looking for. Keep in mind that those are paid versions and you would not like them. Go to this one and I will show you basic stuff to edit it. To drag, all you have to do is click and drag. To change the color, you're gonna find it on the top left after selecting your item. To change the image, you can either right click on it and either detach the image, bring it forward, copy it, even delete the image if you would like. Delete the frame, delete the image. To change text, double click, change text, for example. And the last thing, to actually add an element, all you have to do is find an element, click it and drag it, and you'll be good to go. To download the image, all you have to do is click on the top right corner, download, and then choose the settings you would like and just download it. That's it for today's video, guys, and goodbye.